Hello my dear friends and welcome. We will start by cleaning our strawberries. You're gonna need 2 boxes like the one that I'm showing you here, full of strawberries. Cut them in small pieces and then you'll add the sugar. I have tried it with brown sugar, with stevia and regular sugar. You can try with any sugar or sweetener you like. And then you add 1 whole lemon, a little bit of cognac, like a splash. Now you stir it and you leave it on the side for at least 1 hour. And then meanwhile, you're gonna make the cream. This is the type of whipped cream that I'm going to use because we have it here in Greece. But if it happens that you don't have it, you can make the whipped cream by yourself and then add the powdered sugar and the rest of the ingredients. After you stir it very well, you add the cream cheese, and after that you just have to put it in the fridge until you're ready to use the cream. It truly is the best.
Yummy! The best one I ever tried. It's the best one It's the best!
Now I'm showing you this type of cookies that they usually use it to make the dessert tiramisu. They observe the liquid. So now that our strawberries have been set for a little while, I'm adding half a cup of water.
Mommy's making a strawberry soup for the cake.
Strawberry soup. What is that, Galini?
Strawberry soup, delicious for the cake, the dessert that Mommy's making.
Now you take those cookies and you dip them in the strawberries just for a little bit because they absorb very fast the liquid. And then you put the half of the cream that you made to cover. And then you add some of the strawberries without the liquid on top of that cream. And now you will do 1 more layer of cookies. You add the cream on top. I had some leftovers, which I'm gonna use either for pancakes or you can use it to dip strawberries. It's delicious. And here is the final result. It's delicious. Now I'm gonna show you 1 more way. It's basically a different cream. You use a little bit more ingredients. Some of them are different. So let's go see. You add 2 egg yolks, 5 spoons of sugar. You mix that very well. Then you add cream cheese. And also in this recipe it has a powder whipped cream, and you add half of it and stir it. Now you add evaporated milk and you stir, and then cream. And then you add the rest of the powder whipped cream. And that is basically it. This one is more liquid, so it needs about 2 hours in the fridge. The rest of the process, it's the same. You have to cut the strawberries, add the lemon, cognac, and the sugar, and you stir it, and you also have to leave it for about an hour. I really hope you give it a try. It's such a refreshing dessert. It's great for summer. If you like strawberries and whipped cream, you're gonna love this one. It's a keeper for our family. If you ever happen to try it, which I encourage you, tag us on Instagram and let us know what do you think about it. It's always best when you cook it at night, so you can leave it overnight in the fridge and it will be delicious the next day. Thank you for stopping by and for watching our channel and supporting us. See you again in our next video. Bye!